What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. We only have one story today. And what is it? It's about the Samsung One UI 2.0 beta for the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It is again rolling out as we speak. And so far, it's definitely rolling out in Germany at this point. If you remember last week, it was delayed, so obviously no one got it really, or I know some people in Germany might have gotten it, but then it was pulled back or whatever. But yeah, it looks like Germany is getting it already. One thing I've heard though is if you do hear and you get this, is that the Netflix app is not compatible, and you won't be able to download it with the new One UI 2.0 beta Android 10 on the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, at least initially. So if you use Netflix, I guess the workaround is, there is a workaround, so you don't have to worry about that, but the workaround is make sure Netflix is installed on your phone prior to you installing the One UI 2.0 beta, if it arrives out for your phone where you are today or the next day or whatever day you end up getting it. Now, I checked in America by going into the Samsung members app on my phone, and I did not see it. I currently don't have it. Nothing's popping up. I closed the app. I did everything, force closed it, everything just to make sure that it was there, and I don't see it. So I'm assuming if it's coming out in Germany today, already is out in Germany, that it's gonna be out in America either today or tomorrow. So check your phones. When it does come out, I'll put out another video and I'll walk you guys through how to install it and all that stuff. But yeah, it is rolling out again, which is good. We didn't have to wait very long after the delay. So yeah, if you wanna get it, download it now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what's one downloadable app that you use that you kind of can't live without? Let me know in the comments down below. For me lately, it's the Reddit app. I know when I'd go to Reddit, I would just go to their website, but now I downloaded the app and you can sign in and you have all your stuff and it feeds through like a news thing. It's awesome. I really am loving the Reddit app. Let me know about you guys. What's like that one app you have to have that right now? Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.